look at this one. They're all playing in the mud. They play in the mud and make their bodies very dirty. So now we have the he's so cute. Now we have the other girl. Oh, you got it in the stomach. It's a very big egg. You can actually hear it talk anyway. Oh my, what is that? Look at the white one. Then let me show you their eggs. But first I will show you our new bird. We got a new bird that is this one. This one? Can you see this? So I'll show you all our birds. We have a total of 6 birds now. This, the banana, and the below one is a female, and the below one wants to be the new one's friend, like that one. This one. We have this, the friendly one, the blue color is friendly. Then we have lime. Then we have the white one. It's white and very old. See, they want to be friends. Now I'll show you our chickens' eggs. So you may not have known that our chickens have laid eggs, but they had started since December or January. Some started later at January. I'll show you. We actually have more, but we ate them. This is the white one, and this one is put together with the white. This one is the lonely one. Wait, this is N. It's supposed to be here. Don't know who this belongs to. It belongs to I. S may be very less. It's right now. Oh, they have all been there already. Let's go for them. Wait. This is the father of the children. The umbrella. I guess they sometimes sleep in there. Now I'm gonna show you their diet. They sometimes eat the mix. Why are you even showing that? Some bird food. Sometimes I did. And this rice. Bye. I hope you like this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.